Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making honey butter dinner rolls, which is a copycat Hawaiian roll. First, we're going to add 9 grams of yeast, half a teaspoon of cane sugar, and 1/4 cup of warm water to the bowl of your stand mixer with the dough hook. Next, add in 57 grams of salted butter, 1 cup of milk, and 21 grams of raw honey to a small pot. Put over medium heat and melt the butter and honey completely. As soon as it's melted, remove it from the heat. By this time, the yeast will be bubbly. Add in 446 grams of all-purpose flour and 1½ teaspoons of salt to the mixing bowl. Next, add in 57 grams of cane sugar. Last, pour in the milk and honey mixture over the flour. Mix on low until combined and then continue to knead for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the dough is smooth to the touch. If you don't have a stand mixer with a dough hook, you can also make this dough by hand. It will just take a little bit longer. Grease a large mixing bowl and transfer the dough. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 3 hours or until doubled in size. Always look for visual signs that the dough has doubled. Don't just go off the time. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then remove the dough from the bowl and place it on a floured surface. Divide the dough into 12 pieces that weigh about 73 grams each. Tuck and fold the dough under so the top of the dough balls are very smooth. Place the dough balls in a greased baking dish. I use a 10½ by 7½ inch baking dish here. Cover the baking dish with plastic wrap or a kitchen towel and let it rise for at least 30 minutes or until the dough is springy. Then melt together 28 grams of salted butter and 7 grams of raw honey and mix together. Using a pastry brush, brush the tops of the dough with the honey mixture. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Then these honey butter dinner rolls are ready to serve. Enjoy with butter as a side dish or use them for mini sliders or tiny sandwich buns. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more homemade bread recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.